Good afternoon, welcome back to Expatcrib. My name is Ian, and today I have a super special apartment to show you. It's a duplex apartment really close to Provenza and Parque Lleras. It's just a 7-minute walk down the hill from here, but check out the size of this patio. You've got a 60-meter deck here. This is the deck that everyone dreams of. The apartment has been completely restored, approximately 230 square meters. Let's go take a look. All right, here we go. So, as I said, the deck that everyone dreams of when they come to the city of Medellin, the forever spring or forever summer city. Okay, beautiful deck here, approximately 60 square meters. The owner has put in the plumbing if you would like a jacuzzi up here, and a lot of people that come here love to put jacuzzis in. So that is definitely possible if you want to do it. Okay. Ample space to entertain. It's like you're in a jungle here. And then you have city views. Here you're very close to the energy building. Here you have city green views. All right, so let's take a look inside here. It comes furnished or partially furnished, but if you would like, you could purchase it without furniture. But the owner's done an amazing job of the appliances. He's put in Franke appliances, which I've learned are from Switzerland. And then right there, you can barely see it, black on black, a beautiful induction cooktop. But as I said, he's put in Franke appliances. So also over here, right here, you've got the hidden dishwasher. And he's put in a really nice double door Bosch fridge. And right here, I'll close it, but this is a hidden door. It looks like a wall. Okay. Or it looks like a cupboard. But it is indeed the door to the laundry room, to the back here. Okay. And he has a double stacker, Whirlpool washer and dryer. I believe it's gas fitted, so very efficient. And then lots of storage space, as you can see. Okay, and you've got a laundry sink also. So right here is the entrance to the apartment. So there's enough room here in the foyer to decorate it nicely. And then here he has his social washroom. Let's take another look here over the kitchen and living room area. Again, the beauty of this, and it's very, very hard to find now, unless someone's building brand new and they're a multi-millionaire, is to have a deck this size here. Very rare in the city to find these apartments. I'll put all the specifications and the price in the description. Okay. So, as I said, it's a duplex, and a duplex in the city is 2 floors. So, this is actually one of 2 master bedrooms. So what they've done here, they've taken 4 bedrooms upstairs here and made it into 2 and done a masterful job. Okay. Really, really nice. And lots of space to move in the washroom here. And here, as you can see, he's put in a rain shower. But this rain shower here is also, can't see it from here, but it's a steam shower. So you can see the controls for the jets right there. Okay, and you can enjoy this beautiful view. There you can see the steam nozzles up there. But check out this beautiful green view. So again, as I said, it comes furnished. I don't see why anyone would change a bed like this. It's never actually been lived in, never been rented, so it's brand new. Okay, and then you've got a nice sized walk-in closet here with plenty of space. But these are the views of Medellin that you would wake up to every day. Beautiful green views. So as I said, this is number 1 of 2 big master bedrooms. As I said, this place is very well located just up the hill from Provenza and Parque Lleras. So many restaurants and bars and cafes just down the hill. And really close here, like really close, a few minute walk from the apartment is a grocery store. A Caruja grocery store, one of the best grocery stores in the city. So again, this is the second master. Again, with epic views of the city. And he's put in, I believe there's 60-inch TVs in each room. Okay. And just out here you have a sitting room with a desk. This could be an office area also, or you could reverse it. This could be the bedroom and you could have your office here. Either way would work. But again, plenty of closet space. And here you've got your second grand master bedroom bathroom. But this one has a tub, as you can see. Really, really nice tub. And then you can see also 2 really high ceilings. I believe these are 1.7 meters high, and he's put skylights in upstairs here to bring in a lot of light. This apartment is filled with light. Really good light in this apartment. Okay, so let's take another look downstairs. Take one last look here at the kitchen. And then the dining room space right there. Again, probably could be over here in this area. And my next video, I'm going to show you an apartment that is identical to this one. It's a twin, also renovated, but that one has 3 bedrooms. And that one I will get to this week. Again, it's a twin of this one here with the same size deck, slightly different view, but also a beautiful space, completely restored. But that one has 3 bedrooms and this one has 2 bedrooms. That one has 2 master bedrooms and a office, which also could be a bedroom also. So let's take one last look over this beautiful patio here. And we'll take one last look here, or our first look through the trees here of the skyline of Medellin. You've got mountain views from here. All right, I think we'll end it here. Hope you've enjoyed this apartment tour. This is a duplex apartment. Again, in the heart of Medellin in Poblado, but just up from the action so you're not hearing all the noise. This is a really good area, has a beautiful ambient. This is Ian from Expatcrib, and we'll see you in the next video.